The intel on this op comes from our informant in Russia. The package is aboard a medium freighter, Estonian registration number 52775. There is a small crew and a security detail on board.
Rules of engagement, sir.
Crew expendable.
Faceplate, this is Hammer 2-4. We have visual on the target. ETA 60 seconds.
Copy, 2-4.
30 seconds, going dark. 10 seconds. Radio check. Go to secure channel.
Lock and load.
Green light. Go, go, go.
Weapons free. Bridge secure. Hold your fire. Guys, stay in the bird till we secure the deck. Over. Roger that. Squad, on me. Stairs, clear. Last call. Hallway, clear. Sleep tight.
Forward deck is clear. Green light on Alpha. Go.
Ready, sir. Man out. 3 meter spread. Got 2 on the platform. I see them. Weapons free. Roger that. Tango down. Target neutralized. Got company. Hammer 2-4, we've got tangos on the second floor.
Copy. Engaging. Bravo 6, Hammer's at bingo fuel. We're bugging out. Big Bird will be on station for evac in 10.
Copy, Hammer. Warcroft, Griffin, cover our 6. The rest of you, on me. Roger that. I like to keep this for close encounters. Too right, mate. On my mark, go. Check your corners. Clear left, clear right. Check those corners. Hallway, clear. Move up. Stairs, clear. Movement right. Tango down. Hallway, clear. Check your corners. Clear left. Move up. Catwalk clear. Got you covered. Move up. Squad, on me. Move up. Stack up. Ready, sir. Go. Clear left. Clear right. Move. Movement right. Move up. Back up. Stand by. On my go. Two ready. One ready. Roger that.
I'm getting a strong reading, sir. You might want to take a look at this.
It's an arrow. Faceplate, this is Bravo 6. We've found it. Ready to secure package for transport.
No time, Bravo 6. 2 bogies headed your way fast. Grab what you can and get the hell out of there.
Fast movers. Probably mixed. We better go.
So, grab the manifest in the container. Move! Alright, everyone topside. Double time. Warcraft Griffin, what's your status?
Already in the helicopter, sir! Enemy aircraft inbound!
Bravo 6, come in. Bravo 6, what's your status?
Shit! What the hell happened? The ship's sinking! We've got to go! Now!
Bravo 6, come in, damn it!
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We're on our way out. On your feet, soldier! We are leaving! Get to the catwalks! Move, move, move! Move your asses! Come on, let's go! Back on your feet! Let's go!
Go! Go! Keep moving! It's breaking away! Come on! Come on! What's the pipe?
Talk to me, Bravo 6. Where the hell are you?
Stand by! We're almost there!
Which way? Which way's the helicopter?
To the right! To the right!
We're running out of time! Come on, let's go!
Keep moving!
Where the hell is it?
Jump for it!
Gotcha!
We're all aboard! Go!
Roger that, we're out of here. Faceplate, this is Big Bird. Package secured, returning to base. Out. Cars inbound. Continue tracking.
اليوم نهضنا من جديد كشعب واحد في وجه الخيانة والفساد. جميعنا نثق بهذا الرجل لينقل شعبنا
ذلك بالضبط. هكذا ابتدأت.
Captain Price, al-Assad just executed President al-Falani on national television.
The Americans have plans for al-Assad, and it's too late to do anything for al-Falani. But in less than 3 hours, codename Nikolai will be executed in Russia.
Nikolai, sir?
Nikolai is our informant in the ultra-nationalist camp. He supplied the intel on the cargo ship operation. Nikolai's in hell right now. We're gonna walk him out. We take care of our friends. Let's move. The